Hello YouTubers, today we're going to be looking at the Power XL 8-quart air fryer.
I know this is pretty much an RV channel, but I wanted to kind of touch base and show you this specific item that I got for Christmas from my daughter this last year, or in 2023. You've seen it demonstrated in a couple of my videos that I've had recently, and the reason I've been doing this, so showing these specific videos, is that this air fryer is ideal for camping. It's something that you can take if it's just one or two of you, or even maybe 3 or 4, because it does have a capacity of 8 quarts. It has several different functions. It'll air fry, it'll broil, it'll bake, it roasts, it dehydrates, it'll reheat, and it defrosts. And I can tell you from personal experience, and you've even seen it in a few of my videos, that does very well. I especially like it when I'm cooking fish. One of the things that I will use with it is a parchment liner.
After you preheat your fryer, you put your liner inside the basket, and it makes it a lot easier for cleanup when you're done cooking, because it soaks up all the grease and the residue.
The specifications on this fryer, it's 15.51 inches wide. The depth is 12.2 inches, and the height is 12.2 inches as well. It does have a 90-day money-back guarantee on it. Its capacity is 8 quarts. Total power on it is 1500 watts. Temperature range is anywhere from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 32 degrees centigrade to 221 degrees centigrade. Has a digital touch panel, and as I said, it's got 10 cooking presets. Some of the presets would be reheat, for frying, there's vegetables, eggs, chicken, meats, defrosting, baking, there's also dehydrating, and another one for fish. You can also pick up a chart, and there is a chart that's included in the instruction book, but I highly recommend a separate chart that you can get for quick reference. And I keep this right on my refrigerator, or nearby where I keep my air fryer. It's real handy to have to do a quick reference for the temperature and the time for whatever you're cooking. Now, I have always heard about these, and I've been very reluctant. I heard a lot about the rice cookers, and I stayed away from that for some reason. This is something I'm very glad I had. I thought about it, and when my daughter asked me something that I was looking for Christmas, I mentioned an air fryer, and she hit it out of the ballpark. This has been fantastic. This is not sponsored. If I didn't believe in it, I wouldn't be showing this on video. And one of the things that I highly recommend is this is an ideal thing to have if you're in a camper and you're at a campground where you have a source for power. I don't recommend using it if you're running on battery or if you don't have solar. But if you're hooked up to electric in any way or form, whether it's a generator or through electric hookups, this is ideal. I love this thing, and I can't think of how many different things I can do with it. As far as I'm concerned, I wouldn't be without it. This is a great little appliance, and probably one of the most popular ones I have in the house besides the coffee maker.
I hope this look at the Power XL air fryer was beneficial. And if you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And most of all, thanks for watching. And please don't forget to add a comment.